chemical reactions. So chemical reactions, one way or the other, proceed in one direction. And once you're consuming the product, the reactant is automatically getting into the product and ultimately getting consumed. Okay. But here there is no reaction that is happening. Whenever you're measuring the pH of any solution, you're not doing any reaction. Okay. So you have to be specific into mentioning that whatever you're measuring is not the concentration of H plus but the activity of H plus. So let us define, let us see why is it important कि हमको एक्टिविटी क्यों बोलनी है और कॉन्सेंट्रेशन क्यों नहीं बोलनी है. देखिए, supposedly we talk of ourselves, ठीक है. Supposedly we go to a party and there are 100 people over there. Okay. So and you are a person among these 100 people. So when you're going into a party, you are one person. So you won't be able to interact with everybody. Na? There will be some people who are interacting with themselves. There are some people who are busy with their phones, talking to someone else. Same is the situation, same is the scenario when we are talking of H plus concentration. So there will be certain H plus, like supposedly if there are 100 H plus in a given solution. Okay, there will be some H plus who are occupied, who are being surrounded by water. There will be some H plus who are basically surrounded by the negative ion which will be present. Supposedly, if you're taking HCl the solution, so there will be Cl minus also. Okay, that is a negative ion which is present in the solution. So this Cl minus would inhibit the movement of H plus ion. So effectively, there will be lesser H plus ion which are available into the solution, which will be doing the main work of H plus ion. Okay, so 100 में से just take into account 190 H plus ही हमारे पास अवेलेबल होंगे जो एक्चुअली में H plus का काम कर सकते हैं. अदरवाइज जो बाकी के H plus हैं, either they are surrounded by so much of water, so much of the solvent that they are not able to perform their activity, or they are surrounded by the negative charge in the solution. ठीक है, तो जैसे जैसे concentrations बढ़ती जाएंगी, maybe they are among them frictioning, there is a friction among them, so that is would be a reason कि वो available ना हो. तो इसीलिए important ये है कि कितने available हैं. तो हम जब भी activity की बात करते हैं, activity जो होती है वो basically effective concentration होती है. Okay, effective concentration. So ये important है. जब भी हम pH की definition define करेंगे, pH को define कर रहे हैं, तो important है कि हम effective concentration की बात करें, normal concentration की बात ना करें. और effective concentration which is E और the activity is actually कितना हमारा उसका coefficient of activity है और कितना हमारा concentration है. ठीक है, concentration of the any H plus ion. ठीक है, और generally जो एक्टिविटी और कोएफिशिएंट है वो 1 या 1 से कम रहता है. तो जो आपकी एक्टिविटी रहती है वो जनरली कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से कम ही रहती है. तो ये एक इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट है. सेकेंड चीज